Okay, dear taxation students, I'm Abeel Ahmed, taxation expert. Let us quickly discuss one rule. The name of that rule is child benefit charge. Number one, let's say husband and wife, any one of them has received a child benefit. Then how the child benefit charge works? In case of husband and wife, after receiving the child benefit, HMRC actually is going to see which one is having a higher adjusted net income. Any one of them is having an adjusted net income more than £60,000, only then child benefit charge will apply. So at least out of husband and wife, one has to have adjusted net income more than £60,000, no matter that other spouse has received the benefit. But the main concept is one of them must be having adjusted net income more than £60,000. Okay. Their spouse, civil partner, anyone is actually having adjusted net income more than £60,000. The question, sir, if both of them are having adjusted net income more than £60,000, then we'll see that which one is having higher ANI. Then child benefit charge will be calculated on the basis whoever is having higher ANI. How do we calculate child benefit charge? Basically, child benefit charge percentage is equal to ANI, adjusted net income, minus £60,000 divided by 200. Whatever comes, that will be a percentage. And always round down the percentage. Round down is the rule. Okay. But if adjusted net income is either £80,000 or more than that, then child benefit charge will be 100%. So how do we calculate child benefit charge percentage? ANI minus £60,000 divided by 200, whatever the answer comes, that is actually a percentage. Okay. For example, the answer is 30, that 30 is actually a 30%. And if ANI is £80,000 or more than that, then child benefit charge will be 100%. Over 80,000 amount, whatever amount you have received, you have to return the entire amount. Plus, in case when we'll be calculating percentage, round down to the nearest whole percentage, taxpayer completes the tax return. Pay under self-assessment. It is not the responsibility of actually your employer to pay the child benefit charge. It is your responsibility. You are the one who has received this child benefit. And if the charge is applicable, so you have to deal with that. So you have to put that into your tax return, and it comes under self-assessment. It does not come under pay. It can be avoided if you're not claiming child benefit. So students, don't forget, if any one of husband and wife, any one of them is having ANI more than £60,000, then a child benefit charge will be applied. Number one. Number two, if both of them are having ANI more than 60,000, then we'll see that whichever is having higher ANI, on the basis of that higher ANI, we will calculate child benefit charge. And student, don't forget to get benefit from ACCA Taxation Crash Course, where just by spending 10 to 12 hours, you can revise the entire taxation. And we are the only institute, students, we conduct weekly live revision classes in which we provide two types of revision to our students. One is a question-based revision, and another is a topical revision. So just imagine if you are someone who is still not confident in taxation paper, all you need is just spend 10 to 12 hours and you can revise the entire taxation. What else do you need? If you talk about my students' highest marks, so Alhamdulillah, we have the honor of producing 99 marks in taxation. If you are planning more than that, then I don't want to say anything. But the point is, you can still get the benefit from our crash courses. Thank you very much. Okay.